In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini Free, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. Then you need to tap on this gear at the bottom left corner and adjust all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, go back and to start recording, use red button at the bottom in the middle. If you never used recorder before, hit allow in all available pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To delete it right away, click on the left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Then name it however you wish to and hit save. Then you need to click on this icon of 3 lines at the bottom right corner. That's only there if recorder is off. This way you can access all of your recordings. As you can see, mine is here. To play it, click on it. To delete it though, misclick. To delete it, you need to hold it and click on delete in the pop-up. Then confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!